In the previous video, we looked at heat transfer. The last thing we are going to discuss in relation to heat transfer is the R value. The insulation value of construction material is often expressed as an R value. To find the R value, we take L divided by K, where L is the thickness in feet and K is the thermal conductivity. Let's take a look at a calculation with R value. We want to calculate the R value of 6 inches of mineral wool insulation. Again, like we saw on the last slide, the R value is equal to L divided by K. The length is 6 inches, but length has to be in feet, so that is 0.5 feet. The thermal conductivity for mineral wool insulation is 0.026. We can then go ahead and divide and see that our R value for 6 inches of mineral wool insulation is R19. This concludes our discussion of heat transfer.